How to watch YouTube TV on iPad. Now, if you go directly to Apple Store using any of your Apple gadgets or devices, YouTube TV is actually not available because this is via the Google Mail or any accounts that is associated with your Google. Now, but there is an actual method in which you can still watch YouTube TV using your iPad. Now, on your iPad, what you want to do is to use Safari browser, and then what you want to do is just to simply typing in YouTube TV. Now, there's going to be a tons of results that Safari will provide you, but just choose on a certain URL that is actually tv.youtube.com. Now, it's actually pretty much annoying to stream YouTube TV using your browser, but this is the actual, or this is the only way for you to be able to stream YouTube TV using your iPad. Just go directly to sign in button and then you can go ahead and do your streaming. So that's the only way that you can do for you to be able to watch YouTube TV on your iPad.